Are you looking for the best drones under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1, Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello does have its limitations. You won't be taking high-definition video with it, nor will you be sending it on long missions. But if you're looking for a quality drone at the under $100 mark, it's tough to beat. What sets this drone apart from other drones is its compatibility with an app that allows users to program its operation using Scratch programming language. This easy-to-learn programming language allows users to create a series of commands for the drone by dropping blocks of pre-written code, making it ideal for young pilots who want to try their hand at coding. The Tello has a long battery life with the ability to fly up to 13 minutes on a single charge. It does lack a remote control though, so you'll have to use a smartphone to control it, unless you want to spend an additional $50 for the remote. Number 2, Holy Stone HS110D. While many drones at the $100 or below price point offer cameras, most take video with grainy quality and few frames per second. While the Ryze Tello won't satisfy a professional videographer, it takes better video than most $100 drones thanks to a 1080p camera, which takes crisper pictures. It also has a wide-angle lens that provides a large, 120-degree field of view and comes with features that a budding videographer will appreciate, including an altitude hold that makes it easier to take video. These features make it a great starter option for those getting their feet wet in the world of drone videography. Beyond its camera, the HS110D is comparable in performance to other drones at this price point. It has a flight time of around 8 minutes, which is a little less than other sub-$100 drones. However, it does come with 2 batteries, which is handy, given that it takes 2 hours to fully recharge them. Number 3, Ryze Tello. With all the features that Cheerwing gives you with this drone at a price that's well under $100, the Ryze Tello is hard not to like. It's loaded with features that make it easier to fly, including one-button takeoff and landing that makes the 2 hardest parts of flying a drone easier. At 14 inches by 14 inches, the CW4 is one of the larger drones in this price range, which helps with visibility and stability when flying it. It also includes a hover mode that allows the drone to maintain a certain altitude for taking pictures from its 720p camera, which connects to your smartphone via built-in Wi-Fi. You also have some options when it comes to controlling the drone. You can either use the remote control or control it entirely through the Cheerwing app. When using the app to control the drone, you can even draw its flight plan on the screen, then watch as the drone executes that flight plan. Number 4, Dragon Touch DF01 drone. Smaller drones can be harder to control and fly, while larger models can be bulky to transport from place to place. The Dragon Touch DF01 drone gives you the best of both worlds with its compact design. The drone measures a foot long and more than 7 inches wide with rotors extended, and folds down to less than 7 inches long and 5.5 inches wide for safe transport. The arms also fold tightly against the body, eliminating any extending pieces that could snap off. In addition to its collapsible design, the DF01 comes loaded with attractive features. Its remote control has 1-button landing and takeoff controls. There are also 3 speed modes and the ability to perform various stunt flips, making it suitable for novice and expert drone pilots alike. If you lose control of the drone, a 1-key return will bring it back at the push of a button. It's also capable of taking high-definition pictures, thanks to a 1080p HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens.